Hello and welcome to our Wash and Dry program. Wash and Dry stands for Water, Sanitation and Hygiene, and Disaster Recovery.
What will we learn in this program? This program will address where water is on Earth and in what amount, how important it is to be able to go around clean, fresh water, identifying sources of fresh water in the Bahamas, land uses and water pollution, measuring water quality and contamination, and how to use the water around us. We will explore water availability specifically in the Bahamas and understand the challenges that we face here.
Where in the world is water? Today's lesson is Where in the World is Water. We will be talking about where water can be found on Earth, the forms it can be found in. Do you think Earth has more land than water?
So, the answer is water. The Earth's surface is made up of land, air, and water. 71%, that's a pretty big percentage, of that surface is water, with the other 29% being land. I guess that's why we call Earth the blue planet.
Is all the water on Earth fresh? No! In fact, there is more salt water than fresh water. Most of the water found on Earth is salt water from the oceans. So, what is the difference between salt water and fresh water? Fresh water is water that is not salty and has little or no taste, color, or odor. Salt water is water that contains dissolved salts, like the salt we use to season our food, and other minerals. Fresh water can be found in rivers, many lakes, underground in aquifers, and in the form of ice as glaciers. Here in the Bahamas, we do not have any rivers, lakes, and definitely not glaciers.
Water is the only substance that can be found in nature in all of its various states. Matter makes up everything. A state of matter is the distinct or special form in which something can be found. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Water as a solid is called ice. As a liquid, it is called water. And as a gas, it is called water vapor.
So it's important to learn about the water cycle when you're learning about water. The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around Earth in different states. Liquid water is found in oceans, rivers, lakes, and even underground. Solid ice is found in glaciers, snow, and at the North and South poles. Water vapor, a gas, is found in Earth's atmosphere. So let's talk about what's going on your screen. This is an example of the water cycle. So when you see the number 1, that is showing the sun is shining on the ocean, heating up the Earth's surface, which leads to evaporation, which is the process of water turning from a liquid into the gas water vapor. Then, once water vapor is in the air, it gathers around dust particles to form clouds. Finally, once these clouds have formed and are full and ready to burst, they produce precipitation, which can be in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. This precipitation finds its way into various bodies of water, like rivers and oceans. Then, the process begins again, because it's a never-ending cycle.
We'd like to thank all of our partners for making this possible. We are very grateful to be part of this amazing program brought to you through the collaboration of Friends of the Environment, Samaritan's Purse, Water Mission, the Center for Disaster Philanthropy, the Water and Sewage Corporation of the Bahamas, and the Goodness Tour.